Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Litecoin from Kucoin to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to secure your Litecoin holdings away from exchanges, this guide is perfect for you. By the end, you'll have your Lieutenant Colonel safely stored on your hardware wallet, giving you peace of mind in this ever-changing crypto world. First things first, make sure you have what you need. You'll need a Kucoin account with some Litecoin in it, your Ledger Nano X device set up and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 security standards. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Kucoin account and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet section and select Litecoin. Here, you'll find the withdrawal option. Click on that. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Litecoin app. Make sure your device is unlocked and connected via USB. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab and copy the Litecoin receiving address. It's that long string of letters and numbers, double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Back on Kucoin, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt on Kucoin. Step 4. On your Ledger device, approve the transaction when it pops up. This is your hardware wallet's way of saying, yeah, this is legit. Once approved, the transaction will be broadcast to the Litecoin network. Finally, wait for the confirmation. This usually takes a few minutes, but in 2025, with faster networks, it might be quicker. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see your Litecoin balance updated. A quick tip. Always use a new address for each transfer to enhance privacy, and never share your seed phrase. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.